Welcome to Any Home Lovers YouTube channel. What a home! What a view! This home sits on 100 plus rolling acres that span out over thousands of acres of hills and mountains. The foliage is beyond, and the privacy is priceless. Huge land with activity trails and hunting space. New garage with plenty of rooms for your toys and vehicles. Tell us in comments what do you like about this property. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.